Okay, the question is, if alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the solution of the equation tan theta plus pi by 4 equal to 3 tan 3 theta, no two of which have equal tangents, then find the value of tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma plus tan delta. So what data is given in the question? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the solution of this equation and no two of which have equal tangents. That means tan alpha is not equal to tan beta, tan gamma, tan delta are not equal. Okay. Now equation given is tan theta plus pi by 4 equal to 3 tan 3 theta. Now on the left hand side we can use the formula for tan a plus b. So what is the formula for tan a plus b? It is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So it is tan theta plus tan pi by 4, which is nothing but 1, divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan pi by 4, which is 1, equal to 3 into tan 3 theta formula we can use, that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Let tan theta equal to t, that is 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t is equal to 3 into 3t minus t cube divided by 1 minus 3t square. Now do the cross multiplication here. So 1 plus t into 1 minus 3t square, 1 plus t into 1 minus 3t square equal to 3 into 1 minus t, that is 3 minus 3t into 3t minus t cube. So 1 into the second term, that is 1 minus 3t square, plus t into the second term, that is t minus 3t to the power 3 equal to 3 into second term, that is 9t minus 3t to the power 3. Now minus 3t into the second term, that is minus 9t square plus 3t to the power 4. 1 minus 3t square plus t minus 3t to the power 3. Now take all the right hand terms to the left hand side, that is minus 9t plus 3t cube plus 9t square minus 3t to the power 4 equal to 0. Now minus 3t cube plus 3t cube gets cancelled. You can write it as minus 3t to the power 4 minus 3t to the power 4 plus 6t to the power 2 minus 8t plus 1 equal to 0. Now take minus term common. So it is going to be 3t to the power 4 minus 6t square plus 8t minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation what we got by solving the equation tan theta plus pi by 4 equal to 3 tan 3 theta. Now here we should know one concept. If alpha, beta, gamma and delta are the solutions of the equation ax to the power 4 plus bx to the power 3 plus cx to the power 2 plus dx plus e equal to 0, then sum of the roots is given by minus b by a. Sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time, taken 2 at a time, is given by C by A. Sum of the product of the roots, taken 3 at a time is given by minus D by A, and product of the roots is given by E by A. Okay, so sum of the roots is given by minus B by A. Sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time is given by C by A. Sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time is given by minus D by A, and product of the roots is given by E by A. According to this, so first sum of the roots will take it as S1, which is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 is given by minus B by A. So here if you observe the equation here, A value is 3, B is 0 because T cube coefficient is 0, and C value is minus 6, D value is 8, E is minus 1. Okay, so T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 is minus B by A, that is 0 divided by 3, which is 0. So S2 is sum of the product of the roots, taken 2 at a time is given by C by A, which is minus 6 divided by 3, that is nothing but minus 2. S3 is sum of product of the roots taken 3 at a time is given by minus D by A, that is nothing but minus 8 divided by 3. S4 is nothing but product of the roots. S4 is product of the roots, that is T1, T2, T3, T4 is given by E by A. E value is minus 1 divided by A is 3. Now we can extend the question, that is find the value of 1 by T1 plus 1 by T2 plus 1 by T3 plus 1 by T4. Okay, here we'll take the LCM. LCM is T1, T2, T3, T4, and in the numerator what do we get? T2, T3, T4 plus so on terms will get, that is summation of T1, T2, T3 will get, that is sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time. So numerator is sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time, so which is nothing but minus 8 by 3. So sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time is minus 8 by 3 divided by the product of the roots, that is T1, T2, T3, T4, that is product of the roots is given by minus 1 by 3 which is nothing but 8.